I love you with my heart, with my soul, with every fiber of my entire being. How are you feeling right now, beautiful soul? So I want to share with you a light language transmission from Mother Nature, from our planets. Up in the stars, we get our knowledge. Down on the earth, we get our energy. The electromagnetic energy, frequencies from up here. The magnetic energy from down in this divine, feminine, beautiful being, this celestial being that we call home. Please close your eyes, drop down into your heart and submerge yourself in this space with me. Breathe 3 nice, long, slow, deep breaths all the way down to the pit of your stomach. Breathe deeper and longer and slower. And as you breathe into your body, connect with your body. Bring your awareness into your body and feel how beautiful it is. How connected you are. How divine it is inside this physical vessel. When you're deep down inside and not up here bouncing around in the danger zone. Inside the mind. With that little voice that mutters and chatters. Breathe deeper and follow your breath down into your body. Open your heart and connect with me in this space. We are unconditionally loving divine beings, cosmic beings from the stars here on earth for a short period of what we call time. Connect with me heart to heart, brother to brother, sister to brother, light to light, heart to heart. Close your eyes, keep your eyes open, whatever feels good for you. And allow these frequencies, this transmission, to flow into your consciousness and to vibrate in every cell of your human body. Kushta, analuenia kushta, akuni aladana hutenene huetia kustunia muata, hanana hukuatene shikia tulia muata nana hua tia hua, anu shtaki la muatana shakua, ishta una kuna. Alalala hulia muatenia kustunia buatea. Akuene kunu kiti oti muelia kanana huea tuea. Shaka shuku shaka. Hayanua rata hukanea nananahu va kuva. Unia moata nana hue ki oele ya tunia nana hule ana kuele le hule hua hanana nehi e kua tanana haya nana hu kanana hiatu hashto huta hakana hu vi tu kinia nana hu kala la hutini moala la katu shakuma kanana shakuma ishta shakuma ha kunana na hia lele huku hatu, iatu, ana, ua, iatu, akua. Shikunia moatana na hialalele hukua. A tu no, henene huka da te kia tu shikianaka. Open your heart wider. Allow your heart to dissolve. The boundaries of your physical body, allow them to dissolve. Become the geometry of the cosmic fabric. Submerge into your own divinity. Kushtamana na hukia na hiatu. Shono no huelele la konia na huku. Hakana na hiele na huku. Shakunia na ka. Hatune muati akuniata. Feria muana na delfimiatana. Hichtukumi anana hakana na hu. Ananana hiya muala la kuetini ashakua. Ashtini, hutimiaka, hulemoanana shakia, hatu, nunumanana hatu kuna, hatutuna, hatu, shikimianana hatu, utananana stala la katuni moalea nekia, hatu unia kalakatushta pula kia. Ima kunimia tanana shikutiata, unia muanana shakia. Halala hupu, hapu huna, hapu hunukiananaka. Ishta. Hunanana ishta. Hunanana ishta, puenana ishta. Laku, shapunia laku. Ianana mekunana shikia tonono hua. Kiata. Ashtu. Lakono utumana. Ananamana, unumana, iananana unamana, iananamana, ula shiki. You are amazing. Be in this space and breathe these frequencies into your consciousness. Allow them to flow through your mental, emotional, physical and spiritual bodies as you expand and transcend duality, to become your own experience within the experience of the experience. You are a geometrical code, a mathematical equation from the stars, one powerful, extraordinary being, and I love you unconditionally. I recommend that you go out and hug some trees right now. And you do this light language transmission every day for the next 13 days. Leave it for 9 days and then come back and do it for another 13 days. Leave it for 9 days, come back and do it for 13. 39 days in total. This is day number 1. Trust me, trust you, trust the universe. I challenge you. From my heart to yours, not from my ego to yours. Because I want you to expand and become whole and know your own truth and live your own divinity as a spiritual being having a human experience in this reality right now. I love you beyond all measure. Go out into this world and shine. Go out into this world and light it up, beautiful soul, because the world wants you. The world is waiting for you to express your own true nature. I love you with my heart, with my soul, with every fiber of my entire being. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe and share. If you're watching it on Facebook, like it and share it. We're a human family, a human tribe, brothers and sisters running around this magical planet. Let's work together. Let's share these positive messages. Check out our website, starmagichealing.com. And I'll see you again real soon, beautiful soul, on the other side of nowhere. One love, one heart, one human family. Peace out.